In CNC machining, fixtures are often considered the soul of the operator. Turning knowledge into production efficiency is not just a technical skill, but an art shaped by expertise, hands-on experience, and real-world application. A properly designed and optimized fixturing method can make a significant difference in both productivity and machining accuracy. In today's video, QUOC will guide you through the process of setting up fixtures for a 5-axis CNC machining center with flexible applications for various types of workpieces, from flat panels and small bars to curved components such as chair legs and table legs. First, this is the standard vacuum suction system of the machine. The working table can be easily adjusted using L-shaped levers, allowing the operator to quickly reposition and secure the setup according to the workpiece dimensions. Next, use a hex key to remove the bolts on the vacuum pods. This is a basic operation and can be done quickly. Then, proceed to install the vacuum sealing gasket along the edges. An important note here is to pre-calculate the dimensions to ensure compatibility with the vacuum pods to be installed. In this example, we are working across 4 processing zones. Once completed, reinstall the vacuum pods and tighten them securely using the L handles to ensure stability, then continue sealing the new pods with gaskets. At this stage, a standard fixture setup for panel workpieces is completed, providing a firm hold and ready for high-precision machining. Next are small bar-type workpieces. For this type, the appropriate solution is to use specialized pneumatic clamping units. The installation is straightforward. Position the clamps correctly, secure them with bolts, and connect the air hoses to activate the pneumatic system. Repeat the same process for the remaining zones. At this stage, careful handling is required to ensure consistency and accuracy across all clamping positions. Once completed, the system provides a stable clamping solution suitable for machining small bar workpieces. Finally, we move to the most anticipated part, fixturing curved workpieces, such as chair legs and table legs. Due to their complex geometry, these components often have varying curvature and deviations compared to flat or straight materials, requiring careful calculation of support and clamping points to maintain stability during machining. For this type of workpiece, QUOC utilizes an advanced clamping system that can be flexibly adjusted to match the actual contour. The operator simply installs the clamps in suitable positions, adjusts them using the L-shaped guides, and secures them firmly with bolts. In the example shown on screen, a chair leg is fixed using 3 clamping points corresponding to its main load-bearing areas, resulting in a highly stable and secure setup that ensures both safety and machining accuracy. Woodworking is much like solving a problem. Some problems are simple, others are complex, and there are always multiple ways to approach them. However, in production, the optimal solution is always the one that delivers the highest efficiency in the shortest time. That is exactly what QUOC aims to share in today's video. If your business is looking for an effective 3D CNC machining solution, QUOC CNC, with over 23 years of experience, is a reliable partner ready to support and optimize your production. Contact QUOC today for the most suitable solution for your factory.